Here we go. It's time for the light heavyweight championship be on the line. Here comes the champion, Anarchy, putting his title on the line. I guess now, here tonight, at the King of the Pacific. We only have 2 titles matches left. That's the MCAWW light heavyweight title right here, and the MCAWW championship for itself. Right here. After this is our main event, Anarchy 14 challenges DQ for the gold. Anarchy is the champion of the light heavyweight division. He also the Money in the Bank holder. He'll cash in the Money in the Bank at the EVA's anniversary. All the former EVA superstars will be there, including Danzig will also be there. But tonight, Anarchy is focusing one thing. That's keeping all. Here comes the challenger for this light heavyweight championship. Now, they want to make her mother proud. He talked to his father earlier tonight. He's gonna make him proud. But this coming episode 8, they have a rematch for the tag team titles to get their titles back against Brandon and Ren, the College brothers. But tonight, he's focusing on the light heavyweight gold. This will be a night for the gold. For the light heavyweight gold. That was already hardcore champion. And he have a chance to become light heavyweight champion. Here tonight. Will this be a true night for this young man? The light heavyweight championship holded by the referee. This is for the light heavyweight championship. Anarchy's putting on the line against now here tonight. Here we go. Light heavyweight championship on the line. This is the match that these two are ready to go in. Here we go. Anarchy starting the kicks. Again, for the love of God. My apologies earlier. During this match. Wait a minute, he's going to a table right here. Oh! Anarchy goes on the table right now. Look out! Right! Clothesline there! Look out, counter that. Oh! And he's got the championship belt. Oh! He nails him with a light heavyweight championship. Earlier, these guys don't want to use the belts, but now they're going to go under extreme tonight. And he kicks him in the gut. Oh no. He's going to go through Anarchy's sleep. Oh! Goodness gracious here. Goodness, here's the punches already. Well, now Anarchy went it. Oh, to a table. Oh, he's got the belt. Use the title belt. Oh, here. He was punching Anarchy in the face. He's got the title belt. Oh! He just used the title belt. I says, I don't think so. Not in my head, I don't think so. He's gonna try and punch him first. Oh God! Oh! Oh! Hits him in the head there. Oh no, he's gonna tie your ball. Fire boom to a table. Goodness gracious, oh. He gives him one, he busts him wide open. Look at it. I'm going for the flying clothesline, he hit the flying clothesline. Watch out. Too late, they can't all. I guess he doesn't want to go for the pinfall right now. Maybe he wants to damage him some more. Wait a minute, he counters it. Wait a minute, hold on, wait a minute. Wait a minute, oh my god! He's got him home! He got him! He got it! He got it! He's got him away from the ropes! The cover here! 1, 2, he got it! He got it! He got it! We got a new light heavyweight champ! We got a new MCAWW light heavyweight champion! Oh, he has done it! He's done it! Make his father proud! He did it! We got a new light heavyweight champion here tonight! My God, Roy has done it! He wins the light heavyweight championship! My God, we have a new light heavyweight champion! The main event is next! Give him a step back!